Hello guys, it's me again, and this time I am inside the story. Do you remember the one about Luna the werewolf? I'm here in her waterfall, and we're going to see how much you remember of the story. We have the text up here, but wait, because some words are missing. We need to catch them with my fly swapper. Let's do it together. Okay, let's start reading. This is the story of Luna, the werewolf of the mountains. Okay, the first missing word. What is the word? What is the missing one? Look, can you see those orange options? We have she or them. Okay, so she lived with her parents or them lived with her parents? Is she? Yes, I think it's she. Come on, let's catch that word. Yes, great. Okay. And oh wow, look. The butterfly is bringing the word into the text. I love that. And some flowers are growing. I love it. Let's keep building it up. She lived with her parents. And again, two options. What are the options? They or they all protected the mountains, or them all protected the mountains? They or them? I think it's they. They all protected the mountains. So let's cut they. Come on. Whoop! Great! Come on, butterfly. Go and put the word up there. Yes! And wow, again, more flowers are growing. Well done. Okay, more options. Her brother or his brother? We're talking about Luna. Luna is a female, right? So she's a girl. I'd say her. Her brother, Sam. Let's pick her. Come on. Whoop. Great. Come on, butterfly. Go and do it. Yes, it is correct. Her brother Sam was a very playful werewolf who always disappeared into the woods. Her parents always told options, told us, told them, told us. No, I'm not in the story. It cannot be me. It's not us. It has to be them, right? Just Luna and her brother. Yes, I'm going to pick that word. Them. Come on, butterfly. Let's try. Yes, it's correct again. Great. Them is the right word. And more flowers are growing in this forest. I love it. Come on, let's keep reading. Their parents always told them to not cross the waterfall, that behind there were only dangers. But both Luna and Sam were naughty wolves who wanted to check things out by ourselves or themselves. Ourselves cannot be. I'm not in the story. Ourselves includes me. So it has to be themselves. Them, right? Let's pick that word. Come on, butterfly. I trust you. Yeah. Amazing! It is correct, and look! We don't have just flowers, but water falling from the waterfall. I love it. Great!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids! Alright, now we are still working on this beautiful worksheet about the pronouns. Remember that we are seeing 5 different types of pronouns and we are going to fill them. I'll go first with the subject pronouns in pink. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Yes, this is it. Then let me just go forward with the orange. Object pronouns receiving. Give me the slice of pizza. Give you, give him, give her, give it, give us, give you, and give them. Yes? Then let's go for adjectives. Possessives. My. This is my school bag. This is your school bag. His school bag, her school bag. It's our, your, and their. Possessive pronouns such as mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. And finally, reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Yes? And now what are we doing? We are completing and choosing the right pronoun on each occasion. Let's do start. Okay, and yes, I'll paint the right form with the pink color. This is the story of Luna, the werewolf of the mountains. She lived with her parents. That is something we know. She lived with her parents. And her brothers, not him because him is for boys, and her brothers, they all protected the mountains, or them all protected the mountains. They all protected the mountains. Her older brother Sam, not his, because this is the story of Luna and she's a werewolf. Her older brother Sam was a very playful werewolf who always disappeared into the woods. Her parents always told them to not cross the waterfall. Behind there were only dangers. But both Luna and Sam were naughty wolves and they wanted to check things out by themselves, right? So this is the very exactly same text as we saw on the previous page, right? So what do we need to remember? We just need to remember that reflexive pronouns are the ones we use to talk about receptors and emissors together. Possessive pronouns, we use them without any noun afterwards, but not the same as we do with possessive adjectives. In this case, we have to put the nouns afterwards. Object pronouns, we have these words such as me, you, him, and point the receptors, who are receiving the actions, and the subject ones are the ones giving the actions. Great job.